Angel in Lothian by Sam Fender is played in standard tuning with the capo on the 5th fret. If you watch Sam playing this live, you might see that he's got the capo on the 8th fret, and that is because he's tuned a minor third down to C sharp standard. We're going to start this song off with a C add 9 chord relative to capo. Got second finger, third fret the A, first finger, second fret the D, third finger, third fret the B, and the pinky finger on the high E string at the 3rd fret relative to capo. And we have a bass note on the A string to start, and then down, up, down. Now you'll notice on the song that Sam has a very strong accent on the 2, so it's like more of a rake than a strum, so we're kind of more forcefully strumming down on the guitar really. We're then going to go to an E minor 7, so we're going to take these 2 fingers off the 1st and 2nd fingers and put them down again on the 2nd fret of the A and the 2nd fret of the D string. And the strumming is exactly the same, although this time the bass note is on the low E string, down, up, down. So C add 9, E minor 7. We'll then go to a G chord just by moving the 2nd finger to the low E string at the 3rd fret, exactly the same as the E minor 7 strumming here. Bass is on the E, bass down, up, down, up. And then we go to a little picking riff based around a D major chord. So the picking riff is going to sound like this. I'm picking D, high E, B, G, 1 and 2, and we then have a like 16th note pull off, 3 to 2 on the high E. I'm using the pinky finger to pull off from 3 to 2 there. Then we'll grab G, high E and B. So that whole riff slowly is D, high E, B, G, the pull off on the high E, G, high E, B. So slowly we have the C add 9, bass, down, up, down, up, E minor 7, same strumming pattern, G, riff. One more time, C add 9, bass, down, up, down, up, E minor 7, down, up, down, up, G, down, up, down, D. We're then going to go through the same thing again, but with a different first chord, an A minor 7 this time. So I've got 2nd finger, 2nd fret the D, 1st finger, 1st fret the B, and the pinky finger with the high E string on the 3rd fret there. I'm going to play the bass note on the A, and then I'm going to hit the chord, down, up, and on the up strum we're going to take the 1st finger off and go to kind of like a suspended 7th chord there. Okay, so bass, down, off, up, down. We'll then go to the E minor 7 chord. Well, this time it's just an E minor chord because we haven't got that 3rd fret of the B string, and we're going to strum bass, down, up, down, up, enter the G, same thing, bass, down, up, down, up, and then the D riff from before, exactly the same this time. And that's the whole 2nd time through. So A minor, off, E minor, G, D riff. One more time slowly, A minor 7, E minor, G, and the riff. So the whole thing slowly is that C add 9, the E minor 7, G, and the D riff, A minor 7, the pull off, E minor, the G chord, and the D riff.